Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy crypto using the Zengo app on your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet. Download the Zengo app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. If you are new to the app, make sure to create an account and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see this interface. Here you can see the arrow icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Now choose the buy option. Now you will need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Zengo supports various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon and more. For now I'll choose Ethereum. You can choose your preferred crypto. Now select the wallet you want to pay with. I'll select Panza for now. Tap on continue. Now you will be prompted to this page where you need to enter the amount of crypto you want to buy. You can tap on this drop down list and choose your preferred currency. Now enter the amount you want to spend. And just below that, you'll see the equivalent Ethereum that you are gonna get with your spending. Now scroll down and tap on this create order button. It'll send you the verification code in your email. Open your email and enter the code over here. Here you need to provide more details. You can just go through these and provide accordingly. Once you fill up all these information, you can tap on continue. Enter your payment card details. And once you're done, review the details carefully and tap on the submit payment button. And after your payment is successful, the crypto you've just purchased will be added to your Zengo wallet. And that's it. That's how you can buy crypto in Zengo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.